Hello, my name is David Heron, and I want to go over this. Okay, what this is this. Okay, so it's the RODE microphone Smart Lav, like that, and it's a professional lapel microphone, but it's meant to be used with an iPhone. So what's right here is a tiny little microphone that they call a Lavalier microphone. And at this end is the same kind of plug that is used on the iPhone and various other portable gizmos. So this is the same kind of plug that is on those headphones that have the built-in microphone. Okay, now this does not come with headphones, but it is only the microphone. And it's made by RODE. RODE is one of the top microphone makers in the world, and this is supposed to be a really, really good quality microphone. And it's supposed to give a much, much better sound than what you're hearing right now, because right now you're hearing my iPhone, the built-in microphones in my iPhone. So let's plug this in. So it's just a matter of plugging it in. And then there's a clip here. Oh, actually, I'm supposed to plug it in right here. Okay, so this is supposed to be good enough right here. And so this is just like you're wired up for sound with a portable stereo, sound system or whatever. So, it's that simple. Now, one thing I see about this is that the cord is pretty short. So I'm not sure if they have in mind the same use case I have in mind. Now, what I have in mind is you're at a public event and you want to interview someone and you want to give them a microphone so that you've got good quality sound for them. But then that means this cord should be long enough so that they can stand at a comfortable distance, and you could, so like this is a pretty short cord. So I'm not sure how this is supposed to work. But for the kind of use I'm doing right now, where I'm just recording myself on the phone, this is a comfortable distance, and the cord is the right length for that distance. So anyway, that's the idea. Now, as I recall, this is a fairly expensive microphone. Yeah, so this microphone costs $60, which is a little bit eye-popping. So I don't know if I can recommend it based on that. And so I'm going to listen to the audio in a second and then come back and actually give a thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, so I'm back. And so I just listened to the audio that I recorded a minute ago, and yes, the sound was better, though actually it was overdriving a little bit. So I probably had the microphone too close to my mouth. So what I've done since then was I moved the microphone a little bit farther down. A little bit farther down my shirt, that is, so that it's a little bit farther away. So now I'm going to switch back and find out how this sounds. Okay, so that did sound better with it farther down, though not a whole lot because there was still some noise. So I don't understand. The microphone is, the microphone is plugged in really well, and so like, where's that noise coming from? I don't know. This is supposed to be one of the top-end microphones, and what kind of noise is that? So I guess I really can't recommend this microphone. It is kind of expensive, first, and one of the issues, and and it's demonstrated by having had to stop the video recording and listen to the part that I had just recorded a couple times now. The issue is not being able to monitor the sound as I'm recording it. Okay, so there are other solutions that will let you monitor it while you're recording, and this doesn't. Okay, so and that's, the reason it doesn't is because the microphone jack that it has completely takes up the input on the iPhone. Okay, so you'd have to have some kind of adapter that sits between the Rode microphone and the iPhone, so that then you could also plug in headphones along with it. And so maybe that's just a matter of getting some kind of Y cable, so that you can have some headphones, just a Y jack. Maybe that would work. That would be one of the things to try to solve if you wanted to use this, would be how to monitor the recording while you're making it. But when I was looking for microphone options, this was presented to me as a very high quality option. But at the moment, I'm not impressed, and I think the inability to monitor while recording is a problem. So, I can't recommend it. Yeah, that's it. I can't recommend this. Thank you for watching. My name's David Heron. Hope you found this helpful.